guide you to fix restricted mode turned on by network administrator. For that, let's hop into the YouTube. There you can find the top three lines or three dots. You can tap on that. In the very bottom, you could find the settings which is above help and feedback. You need to tap on that. In that settings, you can search for security, or otherwise you can find privacy and security. In that, you can go for security. If you tap on that, you can scroll down to find user secure DNS for specific how to look up the network address. Let's say you need to make sure that was toggled on, and if that is toggled on, let's say if you have chosen a service provider, make sure you change it to the use current service provider. Let's say if you are using a chosen service provider, that may defaultly alternative DNS providers may sometimes cause some sites to be not to be reachable. So that may be not preferable. You need to do is that you can switch over current service provider. Let's say if you are in current service provider, you can choose a service provider, and that vice versa. This is how you could fix restricted mode turned on by network administrator. Thank you.